Not to brag about my finances or anything, but my credit card company calls me almost daily to tell me my balance is outstanding. You're welcome. So we're on our way right now to go look at an old farmhouse, and it has 100 acres across the road that we're able to use, and the intent is to purchase it down the road. We just have to wait until they're ready to sell that. So right now, the house and some land is for sale, and then maybe in a couple years they'll be ready to sell the other 100 acres and we'll get first dibs at it. But until then, we can hunt on it and tap maple trees and do whatever we want on that land, which is really awesome. So we're excited to show you this new place, and hopefully it works out for us. And if we want to put an offer in, hopefully we don't get beat out again. So let's go see it. Oh, but before we go there, we're just going to stop in at Princess Auto real quick because we need a couple more of those straps that we got last time. Well, now we need a couple more, and maybe smaller ones because those ones were really big. So we want to just go in and grab a couple smaller ones. All this moving, we need a lot of straps. All right, let's go in. Got my trusty mask.
Those should be gone soon.
Yeah, hopefully by August 2nd we can drop the mask.
Yeah, another month.
That would be really nice. So just gotta find those, what are they called again? What are they called?
Yeah, that wasn't right into your brain.
We gotta go find those straps again. Yeah. They were right at the front last time here somewhere. So.
I see some.
So I think this is what we want. Looks
Honestly, like we could have like 1 million straps.
Yeah.
We can, a couple shorter ones are good.
Yeah, heavy duty. And these are shorter, right? You said 1x6?
Yeah.
Because the other ones were super long, so it's nice to have these.
Yep.
Yep. Alrighty then.
Alrighty then.
Let's go.
Let's get out of here. Let's go buy them. Jeremy just remembered we actually have a couple shorter ones. And on the way out here, I seen these ones for really like way cheaper and they're longer, so get them. They're like half the price even. They're a special buy. Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, right.
So we'll get these ones, put these ones back.
Yeah, here. There, back where we got them.
Look at these, sound fabulous.
Such good people.
You are such a good person. Me, I would have just hucked it on the floor and ran out. No, I'm just kidding. I'm joking. The ones we have right now, they've been left out in the truck like a little bit too long, some of them. So it doesn't sound this nice. It doesn't move this nicely.
They're pretty old though.
They're really old, yeah.
But yeah.
So this will be nice.
Probably have like 20 straps, just half of them don't work anymore.
Yeah. Gotta ditch them and get some new ones.
You can never have enough straps.
You really can't.
Let's roll.
Get out of here. Get this mask off.
Yeah.
There we go. Now my ears are back to normal. I feel like it yanks them out. It's very uncomfortable. I'm a whiny baby. So we're looking at this old farmhouse that needs some updating. First you walk in and there's this little garage. Mudroom you walk into. It's really dated, and that's why it's available for a good price. But it's a lot of things that we could fix up easily. Here's the kitchen. So just some paint, maybe rip those out and add paint. It would really update this place a lot. The view is beautiful. Just surrounded by farmland. Just a little paint in here. Painting these cabinets, painting the trim around here would really change the place. So here's the downstairs. Has a wood stove, which is good. So we would put a bathroom down here, bedroom, family room. And it has an entryway right there, which is awesome. And here's like a workshop. So here's the backyard. Just surrounded by farmers' fields. Pretty awesome. Got some nice gardens at the back door. Decent deck. Here's the deck. Just an absolutely beautiful view. And down there's a river, so we can go fishing. Fields everywhere. Nice clothesline. Across to the road from the property is about 100 acres right up here that we're trying to secure as well. They're not sure that they want to sell it at this moment, but in the future they will, and we're able to use it until then, which is really awesome. The property here across the road has a driveway going up into it, which is really awesome. So we'll show you that. It's what we're going to use for hunting and stuff for now. Just a beautiful area. So here's a maple tree. There's not a lot here, but on the other side of the road where I showed you, there's definitely a lot more, and we get to use it until we can buy it. So we absolutely love that house and property, and especially the option to buy that 100 acres when they're ready to sell it. That's super cool that we get to use that until they're ready to sell it. We have we have tons of great plans for that place. It has the wood stove, so we'd love to build a wood shed around the back. We also want to put in a real garage, which is going to require putting in another small driveway because there's not enough room on the side where you've seen I don't know if you've seen the garage or not, but where I entered the house, there was it's basically a pretend driveway. I mean, a pretend garage because it's over the basement. So you couldn't actually park any of the vehicles in it or do any maintenance on your vehicles in there. So what we're going to do is get another small driveway built over to the side of the house so that we're not building a garage right in front of the house. And then we're going to build the same garage we just had. So pretty much 24 by 24 on a slab. We're going to redo that here at this location if we get this house. I mean, we'll put in an offer and we'll see. As long as we get the house, those are just some of the plans. And then over the winter, we could update some of that interior. Just swapping out some of the interior doors, adding a little bit of paint. We could really make that house worth so much more by just doing a few little touch-ups like that. So that's our plans. We'll put an offer in and we'll see what happens. Thanks for coming along on this journey as we continue to look for places and put in offers. And let's just hope this time we don't get outbid or anything and we're actually able to secure a house, because we would really, really love to just get into a house. The camper has been really great to be able to go to, but we would love to be able to have another house, but we'd love to have another house secured and be able to move in there.